Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, water jets, and much more since 1954. Today I want to show you a really nice machine made by Amada, one of the best machine manufacturers in the industry, probably one of the largest with support and sales. They definitely have a lot of machines available. Machines basically made to run a lifetime and then trade it to the next lifetime. This is all original paint on this machine. You can see it's really clean. Motor sounds great. I'll cycle it a few times here. You notice on the back there's also rear lift sheet supports. That's going to help your material if you're doing a little bit lighter materials. You got your square arm, got your support, simple back gauge to use. Just gonna hit what station. You can program your stations, either put it into manually, say go to 5 inches, or if you wanted to set up a job where you have multiple cuts that you know what you're doing, hit the station, hit start, and it's gonna automatically move the back gauge to that next position. I'll show you that again. Now it's gonna inch into it, fine tune, 15 inches. Now what that means is when we put our material in here, once we hit that, we know we're at 15 inches. Let's go ahead and do that again. We're gonna hit another station program. We've got our 6. Let's go to 5 inches. Hit start. You can see our back gauge now is gonna be moving forward. Very quiet. Everything's running really nice and smooth on this machine. This machine's fully functional, guaranteed, comes from here at Sterling Machinery Exchange. We'll ship it out of here in California. We got free loading. We can help you out with shipping anywhere in the USA as well as the country and the world. Now you can see we're at 5 inches. I'm gonna push this piece of metal right at that 5-inch mark. Nice, quick, clean cut. As I said, Amada's made for precision. They're made to last a very long time. 5 inches. We'll move all the way down the line here. Take one more look in the back there. After I do this cut, let's say I had some lighter material, you'll see once it makes the cut, it drops down those supports and then they lift right back up to hit that material so that it can make sure it's not gonna fall down to hit the back gauge. You can see them pop right back up. You can turn those off if you want. There's a little operation switch right here. Just turn that off and that won't do it, depending on the material that you're using. If it is going to be kind of at a bend, you want to make sure when you hit that back gauge, you have it straight up. So those sheet supports will help you a lot. They're also going to help bring the material back down to the bottom and let you pick it up so you can keep your production going. Now, really, I can't say enough about this machine. We'll put it in continuous mode. I'm gonna turn off those supports. Just let you listen to it for a little bit. You can see there's a nice light at the top there. Here, we'll open this up. You can see the inside. Again, everything's super clean, all original paint. It's about as good as it gets for a good used machine. If you're looking to buy, sell, or trade something like this, if you have a machine, Amada, Cincinnati, Beaton Bender, any type of machine, whether it be Chinese, American, we're looking for all the different type of machinery around. Buy, sell, or trade with you, give us a call at 626-444-0311. Check out our website for all these machines with pictures, videos, specs, and a great financing options at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.